Welcome everyone. So I needed to come up with a video to kind of buy some time while I'm working on this Baldwin project. So when I was doing the fretboard, I decided, why don't I show you guys one of my homemade fret Tang nibblers? This is it. Um, as you can tell, this is the expensive company, and this is a $20 nipper that I bought off of Amazon. Now, it won't work right out of the box, but with just a little bit of modification, you can get it to almost work just the same as this one here. So let me show you what I did. So you just have to unscrew and pull this off. You can put this in a vise. Then I took two of these discs and put them on my Dremel tool and just made a cut. You can see there that goes straight down. Then I just took a file and kind of smoothed it out. That allows the side of the fret to set in there, just like on this one here, if you can see it. I don't know if you can or not. But we're going to do the same process, and I'll show you how it works. Well, I'll be darned if I could just put it together. There we go. So I'll show you a quick comparison between the two, because you're looking at $70 for this one, and like I said, 20 bucks. I'll leave the link down below to Amazon to be able to buy this one if it's something you're interested in. So let me show you. So here's the StewMac one. Okay, I'm gonna go get one that's not stainless steel. These aren't good for stainless steel. Not even this one. They have a different one that works for stainless. I mean, it will cut, but it's just not good on the tool. So give me a second. I'm gonna go grab another one. Okay, I'm back with some that are not stainless steel this time. So let's try this over again. Okay, so there's the StewMac one. This was already kind of jimmy-jammied at the end, so don't pay no attention to that. And here's the homemade one. So there's the two. You still need to take a file and kind of file it down a little bit, but it still works to a degree. Do a couple more. These here are also some different fret end snips I've been trying from FastCap. They actually work pretty well on standard frets. So there's that one. We'll do another one with the StewMac. StewMac's a little bit cleaner, but you know, you expect that for being $40, $50 more. But if you just want to do a DIYer and don't want to spend the big cash on it, 20 bucks right here, and it works. All right, that's all I got for you guys today. Short video. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And I'll see you next week when part one of the Baldwin fiberglass top comes out. Thank you all.